Welcome back to Nightwing Chinese. I'm Mia. This is yet another new episode, another lesson for beginners. Today, I want to introduce to you a Chinese dessert that's very seasonal in spring. It's called 青团. The 汉字团 means round, ball-shaped. 青, as I've mentioned numerous times in my videos, is a name of a color. Its modern meaning is usually dark green. So wow, these are our 青团. They are made of sticky rice and the juice of 艾草, Chinese mugwort. 艾草. So, well, they look cute, this 青 color. Let's check out what are some classical fillings, traditional fillings for 青团. So here I'm holding a package of 豆沙青团. 豆沙 means red bean paste. So 豆 here, the color red, 红 is omitted, right? So 豆, 红豆, red bean. 沙 means paste. 豆沙青团. And this is another classic, 黑芝麻. 黑 means black, 芝麻 means sesame. 黑芝麻, black sesame, 青团. I really love 黑芝麻青团. Highly recommended. Alright, besides these traditional flavors, we've also got some new flavors, creative flavors. What are they? 我们看一看. Let's also check it out. Well, this one, inside there are several layers. Have a guess. What's the filling? And this one, looking orangey golden. Okay, this one is 海盐花生酱豆沙. 海盐 sea salt, 花生酱 peanut butter, and with 豆沙. And this one, the golden one, is actually 芒果青团 mango, 芒果青团. So these are some non-traditional flavors. So those ones which are sold in boxes are called 盒装, and these ones are called 散装. 散装. Alright, do you have any spring seasonal desserts at your place? Please let me know in the comments. You're watching Nightwing Chinese. I'm Mia. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have time, why not check out another video of mine? I'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye bye. 再见.